Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're hanging out in my bathroom. This is my lovely shower curtain. And you guys have been asking a lot about my skincare routine, so today I am going to be showing you all about it. But first things first, I have to use my favorite makeup. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Anyway, I am going to be using my favorite makeup remover to take off all my makeup and show you guys my skincare routine. So let's get started. So, I've got my makeup put on now that I have my skincare products, and having good skincare products just makes your makeup, it just makes it go on so much better. And now we just have to do the final touches, and that's it.